Today I will show you step by step how to create Facebook ads, which eventually giving us results like this. So what's up guys? Before we start, make sure that you watch the last video because it's essentially important that you know how to set up a pixel before getting started with Facebook at all. So make sure you watch the video, and after that you can watch this one. So let's start directly here with our business account. So once you're in your ad manager, you simply create an ad over here and you will come to this campaign level. Here you can choose your objective. So basically you can choose between different kind of options that Facebook is giving you. You have over here awareness. So this is more like what I talked about in my last video. If you aiming to reach a lot of people, you can use these objectives. And you have many other options, but for us the most important is over here for conversions. So what we do is click conversions. Here you can set up your campaign name. So this will be drink bottle for dogs. After that you simply click here set up account, and it will ask you about general information. The country where I am right now is Germany. So this can stay like that. Time zone Europe, Berlin. So I will go ahead and create a pixel. Once we have our pixel, we can set it up directly. We choose Shopify. And like in the video that I showed you last time, we simply grab the pixel code, which is saving all the data, what is happening in your page. And now we can choose different website conversion events, which is view content, search, add to cart, wish list, initiate checkouts. And for us the most important is purchase. So Facebook will go out there and search people who are willing to buy certain products. So this is the red, it doesn't really matter, it will turn out green once you have your first activities in your online shop. But due to the fact that we have a new pixel, I would recommend to start with view content. So as a beginner from scratch, you always have to choose view content because the Facebook pixel needs to get data. Once it has enough data, you can go ahead and choose add to cart or directly purchase. What I usually do is to select purchase because I have a lot of data in my Facebook pixel. So you just go ahead and click view content. So the United States are the biggest dropshipping market that you can target right now. Due to the fact that we still don't know the right target age, for example, for our drink bottle, we keep it pretty general at the first level. Language, English. And here is the targeting. So here we can put exactly the people that we want to target. So obviously for that bottle we want to have target dog owners. If we type here dog owners, you will get here this behavior targeting. So now we have all the dog owners in the US, which are currently 43 million people, which is by far too much. We need to have small defined audience. We can narrow this down and click over here, narrow audience. For example, we can choose dog owners who also buying online stuff. So we put online shopping. Whoops, like this. And now we have all the dog owners who are also buying online. This audience size should be smaller now. I don't know why it's still showing 43 million. So 43 million is still a huge audience. If you uncheck this button, we should get a smaller audience. Now we have 23 million. We will just continue. Leave the automatic placement. Daily budget. I always start with 15, but you can just go ahead and start with €5 or $5 a day. The thing is, the higher you put, the faster you will get results. But as a beginner, you can totally start with €5. That's how I started too. And you leave this option under conversions. And the rest can stay pretty much as is. You click continue. And here is actually, so on the next page you can create your page name. It is important to have your page. So we call it Dog Shop New, Shopping and Retail. Here you can put your address. So here you can put your logo. I just put the product picture because I don't have a picture now for the shop. Once you have your page created, so Facebook will show your ad like this. It will say here your page and the picture. What I normally do is to create a video, and this video can be a simple slideshow. We can create here a slideshow with the pictures that we have from the product. So you can upload 10 pictures in total, and once the pictures are uploaded, you can press play and see how it looks like. I would recommend to put this kind of pictures, lifestyle pictures, which is showing a dog drinking from the bottle. And here you can put the fade as transition so it looks more smooth. And create slideshow. So once the video is created, we will target random people and we will see how many people are going to watch this video. And once Facebook is picking up information, we can use that information in the second step to create more targeted ads. So right now it's not really important that we get sales. Here at this level it's really important that we get the data that we need. And for the video you should have at least 10 to 15 seconds in total, so we can split later on the audience more specifically. And so far our ad looks like this. And over here you can put the website URL. So this is the URL where the people will go to check your product. So we take this URL from our store, from the product page, paste it in, and making sure that this URL is working, because you don't want to run ads where the people are not able to see your product. Over here you can write a nice text, such as, what I usually do is to start with a question. So in this case we could say, sick of searching water places for your dog, and check out this handy dog drink bottle for travelers. And then you can say something like, you should always put scarcity in your ads. So we say, huge sale for the next 24 hours. You can use the URL, but it will be pretty long and doesn't look really pretty. So we can go to Google Shortener and make the URL shorter. What I usually do is to put it twice. This will increase your click-through rate, so more people will click on the link. Your dog will thank you for this amazing gadget. And we should always put some emojis. This is pretty good to stimulate some emotions. And we can put also, of course, a dog, just to grab some attention. And call to action is the part what you can see over here. It says learn more. We want to place over here shop now. And what we can also do is to select the thumbnail. This is basically the first picture that you see before the video starts, and we select again the drinking bottle with the dog, so the people can see right away what it is. And over here you can put in the newsfeed something like, so this newsfeed link description will appear right under the headline, and this is pretty much how the ad will look like. So as I told you, make sure that your video is longer. So this is pretty much it. You can start your ad, people go on your page, and once you have a lot of people who are viewing your product but they don't buy, you can simply change the objective from content view to add to cart or purchase. So Facebook will go out there and search people who are really willing to buy. If you start right away with purchase without any data, this will just increase your costs, because Facebook doesn't really know who to target. So you should do in the first step view content, then add to cart, and then purchase. If you have the budget, the ideal strategy would be to create 3 different ad sets. One is with view content, the other one is add to cart, and the third one is purchase. So you would spend 15 euros a day, but you get much faster results. But again, as your pixel is still empty, just go ahead and choose view content. So now you would go ahead and press confirm. I will not do that because actually that shop is not ready to go. So these are pretty much the basic information that you need to know. And don't get stuck in one product. We're launching right now 5 products a day, and it is really a numbers game. So you can't expect that every product will be a winner. You really have to go out there, test a lot of products. So the goal is to test as much products as you can, and once you find the winner, you want to scale your ads. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you next time.